Oh man, it's fast, right? By the way, for the speed, they said it can take 120 km plus speed. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings. AliShanMao here. Welcome outdoor to RC Airport and the maiden flight of Sonic model AR Wing Pro. Now, quite a while ago when I was in Dubai, I remember I did the reviews of AR Wing from Sonic model, and it was really a very, very nice wing. Very stable and a very good flight performance for FPV flying or freestyle flying. Now, Sonic model released AR Wing Pro quite a while ago. I know I'm late, but hey, better late than never, right? So plane is here in my hands. First, I'm gonna give you a closer look, and then it is already set up with the Sparrow 2 flight controller. I will give it a flight and see how it flies. Sonic model AR Wing Pro is kind of slightly in a bigger size range. Not that kind of X8 legendary big wings, but it's still, you can see, it's a really nice, good, big size. Check out the titles for the wingspan and specs. Now, on the front, you have camera mount. You can mount your GoPros and other cameras. You have a separate FPV camera place. And also that you have hatches on the left and right that you can open and set up your video transmitters in there very, very easily, okay? Also, they have a different cover that you can replace and install a DJI HD FPV system. On that one, I don't have it, so I just use this one. Now, when you remove it, you can see inside there's plenty of space. However, this time they're mounting the battery this way. And one thing I found is it's super difficult to set the CG on this wing. So be very, very careful. If you're going to fly it without any camera, you're going to have to add some weight to set the CG, otherwise you'll crash it on the very first flight. Anyway, we have the inlets here, so the air will blow on the video transmitters, and then there's an outlet on the back, wing will come out, and here is an inlet, there's a hole here. So basically, there's a very, very good airflow in the aircraft fuselage. Also, if you notice on the back, right above the motor here, there are outlets, so the wind actually flowing very well. And then there's this hatch where you can, basically mostly it takes ESC. So I'm running a 40 amp ESC, and basically this is the AR Wing Pro a combo, power combo that, thank you very much Banggood, they sent it together with the plane. And I have installed it. So it's running a Sunny Sky X2216-7 KV1402 motor. I had that motor. I believe the propeller is 9-inch propeller, okay? And a 40 amp ESC you have already seen. The servos sent, I am not sure what servos are those. There are ordinary servos that will fit right here. Now to fix the wings, you can see there are two screws that you can use to hold the wings in there, and of course there are connectors on the wings, so you can remove them without having to have any wires hanging out or connecting and disconnecting of wires. So removing the wings is very, very easy, and putting them back on is also very easy. Now, one thing I really didn't like about this is that they actually made it in a way that you have to hold it this way and launch. Now, many people are not very familiar with this kind of launch. I am also not familiar with this kind of launch. So what I did, I went ahead and 3D printed these little points, that kind of little fins, and a place for, index finger. So now I can actually hold it just like this. If you can see, I'll bring it into the sun. You can hold it just like this and easily launch the plane. So if you're used to launching the plane like this, you can check the link in video description and download and 3D print these fins and points that you can install under the belly of this aircraft, AR Wing Pro, and then you can hand launch the traditional way. We'll give it a try and see if both ways work for us or not. So let's get it ready, give it a flight, and see how it flies. Okay, plane is ready, and it seems like RTH works, stabilization works. So let's fly it and see how it goes. I have put a 10,000 milliamp Li-ion battery And then I added these two little tools on the nose to balance it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, here we go. Okay, Sparrow system stabilization launch. It's good. I will bring it on my head here and then switch it to manual and see how it behaves in manual mode. So, manual mode. It's actually more responsive now. And it's still very stable. Nice. Still very stable, mashallah. It's a nice cruiser actually, I can see that. Cruises at a very good speed. Flies nice and stable. I don't know if my battery is dying or what. A 10,000 milliamp battery shouldn't die this quick, but it's a very old Li-ion battery. Oh man, it's fast, right? I mean, that was just a cruise throttle. I'm flying like half throttle, and that was a speed on half throttle like that. We fly at a very dangerous RC airport of the world. A little mistake can put the plane in the water. So to say, plane behaves really nice. I'm setting to stabilize mode because I want to check the RTH. Now I'm getting old, people, and my eyesight is getting weak. I can tell you that sometimes I feel things are getting blurry. So I'm not gonna go too far. That's far enough, I think. And now I'm gonna leave the sticks just like this and activate RTH. Plane immediately makes a turn and comes back. Superb. Superb. So my Sparrow 2 is actually set up really nice and properly. And now I can basically set up the FPV system on it and go flying. But there's no OSD in Sparrow 2. By the way, for the speed, they said it can take 120 km plus speed at this using this recommended combo, AR Wing Pro combo that Sonic model is offering. So you can see it's really nice and fast. No doubt, I believe it can take that much speed. It is fast, man. Look at that. MashaAllah. So Sonic model actually made another very nice wing right here for FPV. Fast, stable. You can see I'm flying completely manual. It's really nice and stable. I still feel like stabilization is on. So it's fast, stable, good performance, very responsive. And if I set like 40% throttle, yeah, that's the cruising speed. So cruising speed is also very, very nice. All right, time to land and bring it home to set up FPV system. I enjoy flying some FPV. I haven't flown airplane FPV, fixed wing FPV in a long while. So bringing it for landing now. Wow, 0 throttle and it's still so nice a speed. I have to set up the ESC braking because the propeller was still spinning. I have to set up this ESC braking. Once again, I'm running a 10,000 milliamp, very heavy battery. And then I have to install, I have to put 2 little tools here to balance the CG. Look at that. This is a nice big heavy battery that you can fly it with 3300 milliamp or 5000 milliamp battery. So let's see if it will balance the CG with 5000 milliamp or not. No, tail heavy, totally tail heavy. So you need to have an HD camera like a GoPro, which is heavy enough, and then FPV camera, video transmitter, and then 5000 milliamp battery. You should be able to balance the CG very well. So this is it. Thank you very much for watching this flight. It went very well. AR Wing Pro is actually behaving really nice. Stable, fast, cruiser speed is very nice. Very responsive FPV wing. And I believe for a long range FPV, you can set it up and enjoy some really nice long range FPV on it. So next step, I will set FPV on it and bring it out. So stay tuned for that video. Give this video a big like and stay subscribed to my channel. Hit that little bell icon and turn on all the notifications. Have fun, people. I'm out here. It's really getting hot and we're running out of water.